Being able to collect signups in the places that your customers and prospects visit you most is crucial. With Constant Contact, you can create a bunch of different types of signup forms that you can add to your website or social media pages so you never miss a lead. Let's take a look at the different types of signup forms you can create. Click Channels, Signup Forms. From there, click Create a Signup Form. A pop-up will display showing you all of the different types of signup forms you can create. Choose either pop-up, flyout, banner, inline, text to join, sign-up landing page, or Facebook lead ads. The name of each form suggests how it'll look on your website. A pop-up, for example, will pop up after a certain amount of time or when someone goes to leave your site. An inline, on the other hand, gets physically embedded on your website, so it'll always be displayed where you want it to go. The first options, pop-up, flyout, banner, and inline, all require some knowledge of HTML code. If you're not comfortable playing around with HTML, try out text to join, sign-up form landing pages, or Facebook lead ads. These options don't really require HTML knowledge. When you make your selection, you'll be taken into the editor where you can customize how your form looks and feels. It's pretty similar to creating an email. Just click on the individual sections on the left to customize your form. When you're finished, click Publish. And don't worry, clicking Publish doesn't share your form anywhere. After your form is published, you can copy the inline code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want it to display. For any form type you create, you'll also need to copy the universal code from here and paste this into the footer of your website. Every website provider is different, so unfortunately I can't show you how to customize the HTML code of every single one. If you need help installing your form on your website, feel free to contact our support team or your website provider for further assistance. And that's how easy it is to create and embed different types of contact signup forms with Constant Contact.